Alright, boys, we gotta go to the fort. We're going to the fort. We got Daniel and Whit with us right now. We gotta head up. Bro got flint and steel. We haven't put it in a long while. But yeah, it's raining right now. We gotta collect some water when we get up there.
Yeah, now it's definitely wet.
We can't bring up the nice camera today, but it's whatever. We'll bring this one. This one's pretty good.
I said right foot. Tell me there's a bar.
What?
Is it sweet?
Do you walk? Since when I turn it down.
Alright, boys, we gonna get water. You wanna come with me?
Yeah, I'm coming with you. Wait, you can start the fire.
There's no water.
It hasn't rained long enough though. Oh, there's no water.
Not even a light drizzle. But yeah, guys, what we do, right, is the water comes out through that thing I was just looking in. And then we fill up these bottles with that water. Then we use a filter and turn it into drinking water. Which one? I'm gonna have to hit him a little harder than that. He's gonna hit his fingers. Yeah, it's just...
Wait, can you put the bag down?
Yeah, hold on.
No, it's burning!
It smells like burnt.
I just gotta get a warm swing. Oh my god, dude. If any of these have leaves, they're just falling on me.
So rainy. Ollie.
Dude.
Ah! I can probably cut this with the machete.
Snap. Oh, snap. Wait. And final blow.
See, we always gotta do that.
Leave that there. Where we go next? What you looking at, bro? Come on. Come on. Freaky trees. Alright, we done for today?
It's on fire.
Oh yeah, he is on fire.
Yo, go get the rest of the wood, Daniel. Oh wait, you have it.
No, you got a fire. Is it from your sweatshirt?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, snap, did it explode? Yes, you heard that?
Yeah, it was a pop.
It just exploded.
Oh, snap. Oh, shit. Yeah, I would keep that in there, to be honest with you. Alright, guys, it's probably been like 20 minutes, but I'm gonna go see if there's water now. Wait. Ah, the freaking spiders. No water.
I just hate period cramps so much, bro. I wish I could go through that. Besides them, like, why do they gotta go through period cramps, right? Y'all agree? Like, it should be me going through that, right? Ollie, you agree? You agree? I'm also like 6'7" feet tall. I know it. You know. I know I may be 6'7" feet tall, but it doesn't matter if I'm already 7 feet. Hey y'all, Jeffrey Epstein here.
What?
I hate period cramps. Damn. You ever think about
Jeffrey Epstein.
Yeah, I came in with the saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with the saw. Bitch, I play red raw. Yeah, bitch, I play red raw. Yeah.